Today the topic is function. What is function and how to use function? Okay. Function two types. First, arithmetic function. Second, logical function. Arithmetic function means addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. Okay. That is called equal sum. And logical function means if and if nested if. Means it is the equal if. Okay. Now go to practical.
If you not subscribe, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
आज हम सीखेंगे फंक्शन क्या है और कैसे फंक्शन को इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, ये हम सीखेंगे. We know function two type. First arithmetic function and second is logical function. But first we read arithmetic function. Means addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. That is called equal sum. Okay. Now we write, suppose we calculate the total of 6 paper mark. Then there are 4 process, but first we use equal SUM sum. Then first paper 1 value means it is the cell value 86 plus I6 plus paper 4 plus paper 5 plus paper 6. Okay, then close the bracket, then press the enter key. Okay, then when we find the cursor or point the corner of the cell, and when we find the drag option means plus sign, then click the left mouse button and drag the cell. Okay, this is the first process. Then second process is equal SUM sum. Then first cell value means first cell address 86 is to last cell value. Then close the bracket and is to means here suppose group of cell address in a series of line is called cell range. So it is called 86 to M6. That is called cell range. Means group of cell address or group of cell value. We add the arithmetic function. So it is called 86 is to M6. Okay. Then press the enter key. This is the second process, and we also use the third process equal SUM sum. Equal sum, then (45) plus 75 plus 65 plus 86 plus 84 plus 45. Then close the bracket. Okay, but this is not equal correct because every value is the same value. Okay, so this is not correct. And another process first we select the 6 paper mark and give a extra cell. Select a extra cell because here we put the value, and go to the AutoSum function and click on AutoSum. Okay. Okay, this is the sum, but we go to the percentage. Percentage means equal sum bracket start, then obtain mark. Obtain mark means total mark. This is the cell value N6 into 100 divided by full mark means 6 paper mark. So we give the 600. Okay, then close the bracket, then press the enter key. This is the percentage. It is the arithmetic function. And grade and pass-fail. This is the logical function. This is the second example. Now we use another database, means employee database. This is the employee database. Here we write the employee name, employee ID, designation, basic salary, then TA, DA, HRA, PF, gross salary and net salary. Okay, this is the gross salary and net salary. Now we calculate the gross salary and net salary depend on this condition. Condition means the TF, DA, HRA and PF. Okay, then we write some, suppose Jitendra Prasad, its employee ID 101 and 102, then 105, then 106, then 107. Okay, this is the employee ID. And basic salary and designation means which post, the manager, accountant, office boy, supervisor, accountant, etc. Okay, then basic salary. Basic salary means suppose 25,000. Okay, then 12,000, then 9,000. Okay, then 12,000, then 8,000. Okay, this is the basic salary. And we calculate the gross and net salary depend on the TA, DA, HRA and PF. Okay, TA per percent. Jitendra Prasad, the first employee, his basic salary is 25,000 and TA is equal to, we calculate equal ACM sum. Equal sum basic salary into four by 100. Okay, and press the enter key means 1000, and DA means equal ASUM, same process, bracket start basic salary into 8 by 100, and HRA means equal sum bracket start basic salary into 10 by 100. Okay, and PF is equal to equal ASUM sum bracket start basic salary into 20 by 100. Okay, then this is the PA and DA and HRA and PF. Okay, then gross salary is equal to equal ASUM sum basic salary plus TA plus DA plus HRA. Otherwise, basic salary is to this cell address is to HRA cell address. Okay, then press the enter key. Okay, this is the gross salary, and net salary is equal to equal ASUM sum bracket start basic salary, gross salary minus PF and bracket close. This is the net salary. Okay, and it is the arithmetic function. Okay. Now we read the logical function, means bonus. Okay. How to calculate the bonus over a condition. It is the conditional statement.